Things will never be the same without you.
What did I do to deserve this? I didn't even get one last kiss from you. Oh baby, God took your love from me. He needed an angel, so it seems. I need to feel your hands all over me. I need to feel you kissing me. I need to feel you holding me. I need to feel your touch, 'cause I miss your love so much. And I can't keep on living this way. I need you here with me. Why could he take you away from me? It's hard for me to tell you I love you as I'm standing over your grave, when I know I'll never hear your voice again. Why did you leave me? Why couldn't you just stay? Because my world is nothing without you. Now I don't know what to do with myself. I would have given you anything just to make you happy, just to hear you say that you love me one last time. I'd go to hell and back over and over again, just to prove to you how much I need you here. There is nothing that I wouldn't do. I'd cry for you, I'd lie for you, and there's no doubt that if I could take your place in heaven, I would die for you. Yes, I would rather give up my life than to see tears in your eyes. I can't stand to see you cry, 'cause it's hard for me to tell you I love you as I'm standing over your grave, and then I'll never hear your voice again. Why did you leave me? Why couldn't you just stay, babe? Because my world is nothing without you, and now I don't know what to do with myself. I just don't know what to do with myself. I can't stand looking at those pictures on the shelf, knowing it was just 1 week ago. Stood there and took that picture. There's just one thing that I wanna